Hello, everyone! Today, I'm going to tell you the story of the cute and chubby 3 little pigs who lived with their mommy pig in a forest village. Shall we dive right into the story? On a warm, sunny day, our adorable trio finally declared their independence from their mom. Will these troublemaking brothers survive in the rough and tough forest? The pigs' roller coaster journey of living on their own starts now. The first little pig said, "I love playing more than anything else in the world." He built his house in just 5 minutes and went straight back to playing. Claiming that building a house was a waste of time, he carelessly threw some straw together and insisted it was minimalism. Now, look at him sleeping soundly on a precarious straw bed that looks like it could blow away with a single gust of wind. If a wolf shows up, he might just become the wolf's breakfast. Was the second little pig any different? Nope. He haphazardly gathered sticks from the forest and whipped up a prefab stick house, shouting, "It's pretty sturdy." He cared more about how it looked than its actual strength, busy striking cool poses and taking pictures in front of his house. But is it just me, or can you feel a wolf's sneaky glare through the gaps in those flimsy sticks? On the other hand, the youngest, the third little pig, was incredibly hard-working. He was building a sturdy fortress, laying heavy bricks one by one. His older brothers teased him, saying, "You're making things too hard for yourself." But the third pig worked silently. After all, safety comes first when it comes to a house. It looks like the day his diligence shines is coming very soon.
Finally, the villain appears. A shadow fell on the forest floor. A hungry wolf showed up and blew the first pig's on straw house away with a single breath. "My minimalist home," the first pig screamed and ran away to the second pig's house. Running, sprinting, not looking back, the sticks are splintering. But the wolf appeared again, pulled the stick house down effortlessly with a powerful snort. Now the 2 brothers started a full speed sprint to the third pig's brick house. A desperate dash to safety now. Hearts are hammering, breath is thin. The fortress door is opening in. Now the 2 brothers started a full speed to the third pig's brick house. Just one door between them and the end. Will they be safe from the wolf this time?
The wolf stood in front of the third pig's brick house and blew with all his might. He huffed and he puffed and he panted. But what do you know? The brick house didn't budge an inch. While the bewildered wolf rubbed his eyes in disbelief, the third pig was inside, calmly serving warm tea to his panicking brothers. Thanks to the third pig's smart planning, the wolf was completely humiliated for the very first time. To Wolf, never one to give up, took a smarter approach this time. He hatched an ambitious plan to slide down the chimney and swallow the 3 brothers in one bite. However, inside the house, a massive counter-operation was underway under the third pig's command. Little did the wolf know he was about to dive straight into a boiling cauldron. Splash! With a loud sound, the wolf landed perfectly into the steaming hot cauldron. His bottom turned bright red. "Ouch! My bottom!" Screaming at the top of his lungs, the wolf shot up like a rocket and disappeared somewhere into the forest. What a thrilling moment! As the 3 brothers' perfect teamwork defeated the scary wolf in one fell swoop. Having survived the dangerous ordeal, the first and second pigs shed tears of regret. They realized that their younger brother's hard work was what saved them. Bricks are definitely the way to go. The older brothers decided to learn the joy of working instead of just playing. From then on, the three brothers cared for and helped each other, building the strongest and warmest home in the world together. Well, everyone, how did you like the story of the three little pigs today? Always remember, if you slack off just because you're feeling lazy, you might end up in big trouble later. Let's all be good children who put our hearts into whatever we do and get along well with our siblings. I'll see you next time with another fun and educational story. Goodbye!